Before you fall in love with your condo's amenities, like the pool or the low-maintenance lifestyle, there's one thing most condo owners overlook: the insurance. And trust me, this is a part that can cost you thousands if you get it wrong. Because insuring a condo is not the same as insuring a house or even renting. And one small gap in coverage could leave you responsible for damage you thought was protected. So stay with me until the end, because I'm going to break down exactly what your condo association covers and what you are still responsible for. And understanding this difference will save you headache and money. So let's get started. Now, what makes condo insurance different? Here's where most people get confused. Your condo association has the master insurance policy, and you have the individual condo insurance policy known as an HO6. But these two policies do different things. The condo association insurance covers the building itself, the roof, exterior walls, common areas, and liability for shared spaces. Conversely, your insurance policy covers everything inside your unit, including flooring, cabinets, fixtures, interior walls, personal property, appliances, personal liability, and loss of use. Now that you understand how an HO6 fits into the big picture, you might be wondering how it compares to something like renter's insurance. So let's talk about it. Now, how does an HO6 condo policy compare to renter's insurance? This is a question I get all the time. Is condo insurance basically the same as renter's insurance? And the short answer is no. And the difference is important. Renter's insurance, HO4, covers your personal belongings, your personal liability, and loss of use if you need to relocate if displaced from your property. Now keep in mind, a renter doesn't own the walls, floors, cabinets, or any part of the building. The landlord policy covers that. But now let's get back to condo insurance and what it covers. Condo insurance, HO6, covers everything that a renter's insurance policy would, plus parts of the condo you actually own, such as interior walls, flooring, cabinets, light fixtures, and any other built-in features. The key difference is renter's insurance protects your stuff. Condo insurance protects your stuff and the interior walls of the unit you actually own. In the end, you see how condo insurance requires more protection than renter's insurance. Now let's look at the condo association, better known as the HOA master policy, because what's missing in that policy determines what exposures you need to have in your condo policy. Now, what does your HOA master policy cover? Actually, let's start like this, by knowing what the HOA master policy doesn't cover. Now, we're going to break it down like this. Every condo association uses one of three master policy types. Number one is bare wall policy. This covers only the structure, meaning you cover everything inside your unit. Now, next is single entity policy. This covers the structure plus original fixtures, not upgrades. And lastly, all-inclusive policy covers most interior features, but does not cover your belongings or personal liability. Now, since every HOA policy is different, the next step is knowing exactly where the gaps are. Now, with this being said, there are four major gaps condo owners miss. One is interior upgrades. If you upgrade your flooring, cabinets, or vanities, the HOA won't cover them. 2, water damage, one of the biggest condo risks. Your policy may need extra protection for water backup or water overflow. 3, loss assessment coverage. If the HOA underinsures the building, they can charge you, the owner. And lastly, liability inside your unit. That's protecting you if someone gets hurt inside your unit. Now, you're responsible, not the HOA, for injuries inside your unit. So now that you understand the gaps, let's walk through what a condo policy should look like. A condo policy should cover interior dwelling walls, personal property, personal liability, loss of use, loss assessment coverage, and water backup protection. Now, with this in mind, let's pull everything together and protect your investment. Here are a few takeaways. Living in a condo is a great lifestyle, but only if your insurance matches the true risk. The HOA covers the building. You cover what makes the space a home. If you're not sure what your HOA covers, I can review your documents and walk you through the right coverage. I'm here to help. Now, if this content was helpful, please share it with someone who may benefit from this topic. And don't forget to like and please subscribe to the channel. But don't stop here. Check out my next video right here for more insurance and financial tips. And as I like to say, call Jay today.